Alright, let's cut to the chase. Does the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite still hold up in 2025, or is it just another mid-range tablet that's gonna collect dust in your drawer after a few months? Spoiler, this thing still punches up of its weight. It's lightweight, it comes with an S Pen without making you pay extra, and it handles everyday tasks without melting down. But it's not perfect. Samsung made a few trade-offs in order to hit that sweet price point. So, is it worth your money? Unboxing this thing is like opening a mid-range but make it premium starter pack. You get the tablet itself, obviously, a free S Pen, shout out to Samsung for not pulling an Apple here, and the usual paperwork that nobody reads. First impressions, it looks and feels better than it should be at this price. The aluminum back is smooth, the weight is just 467 grams, and the Oxford grey color hides fingerprints like a ninja. Also, the S Pen magnetically clips to the side, which means less time rummaging to your bag looking for it. Overall, solid first impression, but let's see if it actually delivers when you start using it. Samsung played it safe for the design, but in a less is more kind of way. So it's 7mm slim, which means it's sleek and portable, it's got an aluminum build, which doesn't make it feel like a toy, and it's got a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is definitely a rare sighting in 2025. Alright, let's talk about the screen. It's got a 10.4-inch TFT LCD with a 2000x1200 resolution. Translation, it's not AMOLED, but it's not trash either. The colors are good, the brightness is just fine indoors, outside, well, not so much. And it's got a 5:3 aspect ratio, which means it's nice for reading and browsing. If you're a pixel people looking for deep blacks and punchy contrast, you might want to look elsewhere, but if you just need a sharp, clean display for everyday use, you'll be just fine. Under the hood, we've got the Exynos 9611 chip and 4GB of RAM. In 2020, this was decent. In 2025, it's okay. I mean, it's great for casual use like browsing, YouTube or Netflix, and can handle light multitasking, just don't go crazy. Well, you should note that Call of Duty Mobile will stutter. If you try running a ton of apps at once, you will feel some lag. But for 90% of users who just need a streaming, note-taking and email tracking machine, this tablet holds up. The good news, Samsung's One UI is optimized enough that even with mid-range hardware, it runs smoothly. Now this is the part where the Tab S6 Lite flexes on the competition. It's got no extra charge for the S Pen, it's got low latency in writing, which means it feels smooth, almost like pen and paper, and it's got a magnetic attachment, which means you won't lose your S Pen. Hopefully. As a student myself who daily drives the Tab S6 Lite, I can say that this S Pen is a game changer. It's responsive, accurate, and never needs charging. The only con, palm rejection isn't perfect, so you might get some accidental touches, but for the price, still one of the best stylus experiences out there. For starters, it's got a 7040 mAh battery, which easily translates into 8 to 10 hours of use. It's great for all day work or binge watching, and it charges via USB-C. However, only at 15 watts, so it's kinda slow. Speakers, surprisingly good. They're tuned by AKG, which in my experience offer a clear, loud and immersive stereo sound, and of course, the epic 3.5mm jack, which means your wired headphones will still work. Now, the cameras. Let's be real, nobody buys a tablet full of cameras. It's got an 8MP rear camera, which is okay for scanning documents, and a 5MP front camera, which is decent for video calls. Just don't expect selfie magic. In short, great speakers, forgettable cameras. But that's normal for tablets. Alright, let's wrap this up. Is the Tab S6 Lite still worth it? Premium build? Yup. Good display? Yes, for the price at least. S Pen included? Huge win. W move Samsung. Fast performance? I mean, it's not the Flash. Is it good for gaming? Kinda, but it's not its strength. Bottom line, if you want a solid tablet for everyday tasks, note-taking and media consumption without spending iPad money, this is a great choice. That's it for this review. Like, comment and subscribe if this helped you out and let me know. Are you Team Android or Team iPad? Let's debate in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace.